Right here working on the Impala today. Got the coil packs. We're gonna relocate them because we don't like how close all these wires are to all the runners on the header. So, and they don't look very good because you could put covers on them, but then we're really close to the exhaust and everything. So we're gonna relocate these and we're gonna put them underneath. So hopefully we can still use stock style plug wires and maybe even the stock harness without having to lengthen it. But we'll start building one of those and see how it looks.
Okay, got the coil pack, took all the coils off. This bracket isn't going to work, so we're going to throw it away. Okay, we got these pieces of steel we cut out, and we already drilled the holes. So the coil packs, the way we're doing it, they're going to mount in this orientation, which will allow us to save a lot of room up and down because they're going to be mounted between the head and the block. So we'll get this bolted together and we'll show you how it looks. This is bolted together. We're going to go take it over to the car now and stick it up there, and we'll figure out where we're going to mount it. I think we're going to come off of the motor mount. 2 bolts on that, which should be plenty to hold this up. So we'll go over there and see how it looks.
Okay, this is basically where it's gonna go. It's hard to get a good video because the point of these is to get them where you can't see them. So it's working, but we're gonna come in right here and hit these 2 bolts with our mount. So we're gonna mark this and then we'll take it down and get a piece made to go on there.
Okay, we got this marked. This is the line we're going with. So this is gonna go here, but for strength we're gonna go on both sides. But it hits the coil pack, so we're gonna put a bend in it so it'll clear that, and then we'll get it tacked on there. Okay, go. Got this tacked together. We're going to go ahead and fully weld it. We test fitted it under the car. We didn't show it since it's so hard to get a shot of it, but I'm gonna get this welded and then we'll go ahead and drill the holes out. Get back here.
Got the coil packs mounted and got them bolted to the motor mount. You can see the 2 bolts where we're attaching them right there and there. So that's about as far as we're going to go. We've got to take these back off and paint them, and we'll be pretty much done with it. The only thing we're going to have to do is lengthen the harness a little bit so we can reach the plugs. Got these brackets made up and painted. This is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. They're only slightly different. This one has a spacer in it because we had to roll the bottom out because this was hitting the block. But those will work pretty good, and now all we got to do is modify the harnesses, and that will be it. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment below.